We are going to learn pop-up function through a simple macro. And this video is special because there are two aspects we're going to learn. One, simple macro, simple coding we're going to insert in order to get the pop-up function, number one. And also, VLOOKUP formula we are going to learn. Not only that, VLOOKUP formula along with something called error, if error functions we are going to learn. Let's learn. This is a preview model of this one. For example, if I say Chennai, and this is the data set I have, there are 4 columns in Indian cities and Indian states, main language, what is being spoken in that particular state and city, and what is the literacy percentage, right? And then you also have a city, and I will look up value is city. From there, we can get the state, language, and all that. For example, if you say Pune, you get that it is Maharashtra, Marathi, 0.9, right? Similarly, if you say Bangalore, so it's a Karnataka, Kannada, and 0.89, 89 percentage, right? So this is how you can see that if I give any other value, like ABC example, ABC is not a city, so it gives like this. Not only that, we can get rid of this error, and also we are going to get rid of, we are going to create a pop-up also as well. So we are going to delete all the value, including the lookup value. Okay, let's learn from the beginning. So we look up, and this is my lookup value is going to be city name, and I look from the column. And so this two column is going to be dynamic. So I have to, it's better to control. I'll give F4, right? F4 is to control those two columns, comma 2, comma 0, right? Of course, it will give not applicable because we have not given any, we have not given any city name. For example, if I get Chennai, you will get it, right? So we don't want that also. If you don't want that as not applicable, then you can write if error, and then you can give double quote, and so it will return as no value. You can see no value. Although no value is being found, like say ABC is not a state, right? So it's city, right? So you will not find any value. Similarly, if I find like Chennai, you get this value. Okay. So let's go similarly the language also. We look up, we're going to take these three things. This is because the main language is there. Either you can take A and C, but better to take all these, right? So, and then lookup value is this, and I'm gonna look from these three column, and F4, comma 3, comma 0. This is also done. Similarly, I will introduce if error formula, and I will get rid of this notification not applicable. This is done. Similarly, the last step is we lookup value, comma, and I'm going to look from the 4 columns, F4 and 4, comma 0. And it's going to give the same error. And what I will give is, I will give if error, double quote. This is done. Now, simple. If I say Chennai, you see that value. If I say Pune, you will get the value, right? If I give either mistakenly, if I gave incorrect spelling, or it gave pen instead of Pune, pen, PEN, you will not get any value, right? So we can also create the pop-up function. This is the code we are going to use it. I will just copy this one, and you can just keep it here. Go, and you can just, or you can give control F11 also. View code. In the view code, this is the, let me go from the beginning, and you can find that Microsoft Excel object, right click on it, and you have insert. In the insert, you can find the module. You can also go control F11 also. So yeah, and so pop-up X, I will give some name to it. Maybe I'll do it from the beginning. Yeah, that's fine. Function, the functions is gonna be pop-up, right? And pop-up, I will say the name is ABC, and close and open, enter. So function has been created called ABC. Pop-up is a function ABC is given the reference. And then we have to write message box, right? Message box and double quote, and please recheck the spelling, or it could be no city name found in the list. Control yes, we are going to have. So that means it will save this value, right? It will save, the macro will get saved. Once the macro gets saved, come back to this page, right? And now we can do that. So instead of zero, I mean double quote, what I will do, pop up. You remember that we have given the name as ABC, right? Give ABC, and I'm gonna give this. You see, this has been, please recheck the spelling or no city name found in the list. And similarly, we're gonna replace for language also. Language also will do the same thing. Pop up ABC, and we're gonna close that. Okay, and then literacy also we're gonna do the same. Pop up, and we can double close it, right? Now you can see that, right? Either you can make it one digit or no digit. Okay, fine. Let's go back. So Pune, now its value is coming, literacy. I mean, because we have just converted into this one. So Pune is coming. So the values are coming. If I give any, like for example, Surat. So there's a Gujarati is the language being spoken and point name, right? And Thane, example, right? Again, Maharashtra, Marathi, and this thing. And let's say Patna, right? You get it. Let's say Delhi. So it says that it is not there. So that means you can just see here. We have not added, no? So what we can do, we can include this. That's the biggest advantage when you give array, right? So here what I will do, I will give Delhi, and A, and then I will say capital and of India, and then I will say Hindi or whatever. I don't know the value, but just for this demonstration purpose, I will use one, point nine. Right? You can see here it is automatically updated. And let's say I'm adding another city called new city example, right? And new city and new state, and then I will give new language example, and then you can give 100% is a literacy rate. Right? So if I give new city, automatically will come. Just I put city, you won't get anything, right? So, and let's take one more example. I'm going back to my previous example. Chennai, I'm just, instead of double N, I'm just giving only one N, and it is absolutely spelling incorrect, right? It should show the pop-up. Okay, pop-up is coming. So this is how you can easily do it. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel. You have a wonderful day.